The most popular bandsaw for resawing isn't always the best one for the job, and that's what most people get wrong. You see the same models everywhere, but once you start cutting thick hardwood or doing precise veneer work, the differences become obvious. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you the real top 5.
Product number 1, Vevor Portable Bandsaw. Let's start with the Vevor Portable Bandsaw, a compact, handheld powerhouse that surprised me with its deep cut capability. At $213, it sits in the mid-range price bracket. And what caught my eye was its 5-inch cutting capacity for round stock and nearly 5-inch rectangular cuts without the base. If you want serious portability without sacrificing cutting depth for resawing smaller logs or metal, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Resawing isn't just about wood. Sometimes you're slicing through thick aluminum or steel stock, and this saw handles it thanks to its 10-amp motor and variable speed up to 472 feet per minute. The alloy steel blade and brushless motor mean less friction, cleaner cuts, and no burrs. Plus, the removable base lets you switch between freehand and bench-mounted use, which is perfect if you're working in a small shop or on-site. Over 300 units sold last month shows it's gaining traction fast. Now, some people complained about the lack of included blades or poor documentation. Here's the thing though, this isn't a beginner's tool. If you're already working with bandsaws, you probably have spare blades lying around. The learning curve is real, but once you get the hang of it, the precision and power make up for the initial setup hassle. This is perfect for you if you need a portable, multi-material resaw solution and don't mind sourcing your own high-quality blades. Skip this one if you're strictly doing fine woodworking and want something stationary. For the price, it's a solid value, especially if you're cutting metal or composite materials regularly.
Product number 2, Timberwolf Resaw Blade. All right, that was a solid machine, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for pure resawing performance, the Timberwolf 93.5-inch resaw blade. At just $33, it's not a saw, but a critical upgrade that transforms your existing bandsaw. What stands out immediately is the milled teeth, 50% sharper than stamped blades, and induction-hardened edges that stay sharp longer. If you want cleaner, faster resaws with less blade drift, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Resawing puts extreme stress on blades. The Timberwolf uses silicone steel that's more ductile than high-carbon steel, meaning it flexes without cracking. Perfect for long, thick cuts through hard maple or walnut. The 9 TPI design and 0.03-inch thickness reduce kerf waste and keep the blade running cooler. I've seen users report 2 to 3x longer life compared to standard blades, and with over 100 sold recently, it's a favorite among luthiers and veneer makers. Now, some people complained about compatibility. It only fits specific saws with 93.5-inch wheels. Here's the thing though, if your saw matches, this blade is a game changer. It's not universal, but for the right setup, the cut quality is unmatched. You'll notice smoother finishes and less sanding afterward. This is perfect for you if you already own a compatible bandsaw and want to maximize resaw precision and blade longevity. Skip this one if your saw uses a different blade length. Measure first. For under $35, it's one of the best upgrades you can make.
Product number 3, Bow Feather Duo FP3. Now, if the last blade improved cut quality, this next one tackles safety and control. The Bow Feather Duo FP3. At $85, it's a feather board, but not like the flimsy plastic ones you've used before. Made from high-density EVA foam, it's built specifically for table saws, router tables, and yes, bandsaws. If you want to eliminate kickback and keep your hands safe during resawing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Resawing thin or warped stock is risky. The Feather Duo's living hinge design pinches the board against the fence with 5 times more kickback resistance than traditional wood or plastic feathers. The EVA material conforms slightly to the wood, reducing chatter and giving you smoother feed control, especially on long, uneven boards. Plus, it won't mar softwoods or set off saw stop systems, which is huge for safety-conscious shops.
Now, some people complained about the price. It's more expensive than basic featherboards. Here's the thing though, this isn't just a safety tool, it's a precision aid. The reversible, replaceable feathers and Anchor Pro hardware make it durable and adaptable. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. This is perfect for you if you're doing frequent resawing and want consistent, safe feed control. Skip this one if you only cut occasionally or work with perfectly flat stock. For the safety and performance boost, it's well worth the investment.
Product number 4, Bow Guide Pro GP5. All right, that was a great safety upgrade, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for vertical resawing. The Bow Guide Pro GP5. At $107, it's a dedicated bandsaw guide with a 6-inch silicone feather that applies continuous pressure along the workpiece. If you want ultra-precise thin strip resawing without hand fatigue, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When resawing veneers or thin stock, even slight hand movement causes uneven cuts. The Guide Pro's flexible feather holds the wood firmly against the fence and applies top and side pressure, perfect for odd-shaped or warped material. It fits miter slots from 15 millimeters to 3/4 inch and adjusts from 2 to 8 inches from the blade. Setup takes under 30 seconds, and your hands stay free to guide the cut safely. Now, some people complained about the learning curve. Positioning the feather just right takes practice. Here's the thing though, once dialed in, it delivers repeatable, clean cuts every time. The silicone won't damage blades or workpieces, and the replaceable feathers mean long-term use. This is perfect for you if you're slicing book-matched veneers or thin lumber regularly. Skip this one if you only resaw thick stock occasionally. For precision work, it's a must-have. Product number 5, Pro Grip Universal Bandsaw Fence. Now, if the last tools improved control, this final one brings stability. The Pro Grip Universal Bandsaw Fence. At $86, it's a dual-function fence that works on bandsaws and drill presses with a triple cam lock system. If you want rock-solid alignment for repetitive resawing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A wobbly fence ruins resaw accuracy. The Pro Grip's aluminum build resists warping, and the triple cam locks eliminate any play, even under heavy pressure. The adjustable stop block lets you make identical cuts over and over, which is perfect for batch resawing. It fits tables up to 18 inches deep, so it works on most saws. Now, some people complained about the weight. At 4.4 pounds, it's not light. Here's the thing though, that weight adds stability, and since it's aluminum, it's still manageable. Installation is straightforward, and the precision payoff is immediate. This is perfect for you if you need consistent, repeatable resaw cuts. Skip this one if you only cut occasionally. For the price, it's one of the best upgrades for serious woodworkers. So, which one's best? The Vevor if you need portability, the Timberwolf blade for pure cut quality, the Feather Duo for safety, the Guide Pro for precision thin cuts, and the Pro Grip for repeatable accuracy. None of these are the most popular, but they're the ones that actually deliver. Pick the one that fits your workflow, and you'll resaw like a pro.